Hello student, today we are going to be discuss first chapter of English Literature Standard 7. The name is The Adventure of the Mason. As the name of it, it's really a very adventurous story. Before starting the story and a summary of it, we are going to be discuss the basic thing of this chapter that is known as the glossary. Word's meaning of this chapter. I'll start to be explain you. Just we see properly the meaning of the words. The first word is mason. Mason is the first word of this chapter. As we are seeing this word also you can find out in the title of this chapter. The mason. The meaning is a craftsman who works with bricks or stones to build a structure. As the same as we can find out in a house, there are some person who work to be maintain our building. The same person is known as a mason. The next is Granada, a city in Spain. It's a name of the city, nothing more than that. The next is cadaverous looking, a person who is very thin, pale and sickly, who is looking like a very thin person. Some who is looking quite yellowish color. Such kind of person is known as a cadaverous looking person, a personality like this. The next word is hark. Hark is basically we are using the word when we want to indicate someone like listen. Then we are using the word hark. But that's the Spanish word and normally not be used in English, but it's a very common in a language. It's a word hark, listen. It's a meaning of it. The next word is senior. As in English, we word used to indicate someone in a respect like Mr., Sir. In Spanish, some persons use the word senior. It's have a same meaning like this. The next word is portal. It's a one types of large, impressive entrance. When we're going to be entered a such kind of building, bungalow, and it's have a very big gate and like this, then we are using the word portal for it. The next word is ponderous. Ponderous means heavy. The same word we are using for the one types of gate of a bungalow or the such kind of building. The next word is Moorish. Moorish is a one types of Islamic style architecture found in 8th century Spain. Normally in this chapter the Moorish word is used for the fountain. Right now I will like to see one picture of it because that's mentioned in your book. This is a one types of Islamic style architecture and it is a fountain. Okay, such kind of fountain is known as the Moorish. The next word as you are seeing here, that is the ward. The word is a space for it's have a two meaning. Firstly, you must be know word have a two meaning. The first meaning is a space for storing valuables, and another meaning is a room for burying dead bodies. As we can see in this chapter, a person who are using this word is have a meaning like a space for storing valuable things, and the person who is hearing this just think about the meaning of it like a room for burying dead bodies. It's a basic difference in between of it. So as according to the need of this word we utilize it. The next is dwelling. A house or a flat where a person lives. Simply a one types of building, a house. Such any house is also have another word is like a dwelling. The next word is retired. It's It's a common word for us, no longer in use. Whenever we not want to be used any such kind of things, any person who not continued for any such kind of institutions and all, that is known as a retired. It's a common word that we all know. The next word is ghastly, horrible, terrible. It's also a very common word for us. The next word is portrait, slout, which is another word is some, which is very beautiful, and some have a slabby. It's also have another word of it. In a Hindi, we use the word shandar for the portrait. The next word is revealed. Its have a meaning is rejoiced, rejoiced, rejoiced. Some which is quite happy, related to the happiness and enjoyable things. The next word is hovel. It's a small, badly maintained house. Some hut. It's also have another word is hut. Hut is a synonym of the hovel. Another word that you can see in your book, that is the curmudgeon. Someone who is easily angered and often complaining. It's have another meaning is misery, conjuse. Such kind of person we can use the word like a curmudgeon. The next and the last word that you can see in your book, that is the gripping. Basically, the gripping is meaning some which is something that we will hold. But here the writer is using the such kind of word is like a complaining. Now we just see the story of this, the adventure of the mason. Firstly, you must know what's the summary of it. The adventure of the mason, it's a summary where there are the one old person who want to be save their money, and for saving it, he have a need to we save it in a particular area in his own building or in his own bungalow. For that, he call a mason, but he really not want to be show his own identity or the place where he have his own bungalow. So finally, he told the mason for the blindfold, and mason got be ready for it, and finally he got success in it. And in the last we are seeing there another person surprisingly or just reached to the same mason and asked to do or repair for the bungalow. And when the same mason reached on the place or the bungalow, he found there was it's look as the same as like this as he worked for the first person. So he asked to the second person about it, why he want to be repaired such kind of building. Then he said, this is a very old building and now he want to be repaired. No person want to be come here. Some people says they are hearing some voice of coins in this building, and they feel to be terrified in whenever he want to be live in such kind of building. So finally he just think about it. It's really not good to be live in such kind of building, and if it will repair, then some people will come here and will live in it. And here is a some surprise for you, and that's we will see in this story. What's the climate of the story? When we will read it, then may you know about it. Now, today we will read a very small part of this story and just we read it and understand with me. The name of the story is The Adventure of the Mason. एक एडवेंचर है मेसन का. There was once upon a time a poor mason in Uganda who could scarcely earn bread for his large family. एक बार की बात है जब ग्रांडा में एक पुअर मेसन रहता था जो बहुत ही कभी एक अर्न ब्रेड और अपनी फैमिली का पालन कर पाता था, अच्छे से रख पाता था. One night he was roused from his sleep by a knocking at his door. एक रात वो अचानक ही उठ गया अपनी डोर पे कुछ नॉकिंग की आवाज़ सुनकर. He opened it and saw before him a tall, thin, cadaverous-looking person. Students, we already has discussed this word. A person who is looking pale or just in a yellow color person. At the same word we are seeing in this line. He opened it. उसने दरवाज़ा खोला. उसने खोला and saw before him a tall. उसने अपने सामने देखा एक tall, लंबा सा, thin, पतला सा, cadaverous looking person, कुछ पीले से दिखने वाला, भद्दा से दिखने वाला person उसके सामने खड़ा था. "Hark, honest friend," said the stranger. Stranger ने कहा, hark, hark, that's the same word that we are seeing in the glossary. Hark means सुनो. Honest friend, मेरे honest friend, said the stranger. Stranger ने कहा, I have observed that you are one to be trusted, and will you undertake a job this very night? मैंने ऑब्जर्व किया है तुम बहुत ट्रस्टी पर्सन हो. क्या तुम एक जॉब लेना पसंद करोगे इस रात को? With all my heart, senior, on condition that I am paid accordingly. बिल्कुल लेना पसंद करूँगा, बहुत दिल से लेना पसंद करूँगा senior. Senior is the same word which you are using for the Mr. in our English. As a Spanish, we are using the word senior. He said, senior, on condition that I am paid accordingly. अगर आप मुझे accordingly paid करेंगे तो definitely I'll do something for you. That you shall be, but you must suffer yourself to be blindfolded. That you shall be, ये तुम करोगे. But you must suffer, लेकिन तुम्हें blinded fold होना पड़ेगा उसके लिए. To this the mason made no objection. इसके लिए mason ने कोई भी objection नहीं किया. So, being blindfolded, he was led by the stranger through various route, lanes and winding passages until they stopped before the portal of a house. To this, the mason made no objection. इसके लिए mason ने कोई भी objection नहीं किया. So, being blindfolded, एक blindfolded होते हुए, he was led by the stranger. उसको स्ट्रेंजर ने लीड किया, ये लीड करवाता हुआ थ्रू वेरियस रूट्स, बहुत सारी रूट्स से, एक लेंस से एंड वाइंडिंग पैसेज से होता हुआ अंटिल दे स्टॉप, वो रुक गए बिफोर अ पोर्टर ऑफ अ हाउस. पोर्टर, दैट्स द वर्ड दैट्स वी नो अबाउट इट. पोर्टर ऑफ अ हाउस, एक पोर्टर के सामने, एक इम्प्रेसिव लार्ज एंट्रेंस के सामने वो रुक गए. द स्ट्रेंजर देन applied a key. Stranger ने उसमें एक की लगाई. Under turned and creaking lock and opened what sounded like a ponderous door. और फिर वो खुल गया और वो साउंड कर रहा था जैसे कि एक वो ponderous door है. I already has told you the meaning of ponderous. What's the meaning of it? Ponderous, which is the meaning is heavy, which is looking like a heavy door. They entered. उन्होंने एंटर लिया. The door was closed and bolted, and the mason was conducted through an anchoring corridor and a spacious hall to an interior part of the building. They entered. उन्होंने enter लिया. The door was closed. Door closed था and bolted किया गया. And the mason was conducted through an anchoring corridor. एक गूंजते हुए कॉरिडोर में उसने एंटर लिया एंड कंडक्ट किया गया. एंड अ स्पेशियस हॉल, एक बहुत बड़ा हॉल जिसमें बहुत बड़ा स्पेस था. टू एन इंटीरियर पार्ट ऑफ द बिल्डिंग, जो उस बिल्डिंग का एक इंटीरियर पार्ट लग रहा था. हेयर द बैंडेज वॉज रिमूव फ्रॉम हिज आइज. यहाँ उसकी बैंडेज को रिमूव किया गया. उसकी बैंडेज मीन्स उसको ब्लाइंड फोल्ड करके लाया गया था और अब उसकी आइज को खोल दिया गया. एंड ही फाउंड हिमसेल्फ इन अ कोल्ड. ही फाउंड हिमसेल्फ इन अ कोल्ड. उसने अपने आप को एक कोल्ड में पाया. डिमली लाइटेड बाय अ सिंगल लैम्प. बहुत केवल एक ही लैम्प थी जो वहाँ पे बहुत कम ही रोशनी कर रही थी. इन द सेंटर वॉज द ड्राई बेसिन ऑफ एन ओल्ड मॉरिश फाउंटेन. इन द सेंटर, जिसके सेंटर में वॉज द ड्राई बेसिन, एक सूखा हुआ सा बेसिन था. ऑफ एन ओल्ड मॉरिश फाउंडेशन, जो एक मॉरिस फाउंटेन था. ये वही मॉरिश वर्ड है दैट्स आई टोल्ड यू इन द ग्रॉसरी. मॉरिश मीन्स एन इस्लामिक style architecture found in 8th century Spain. Such kind of fountain they are found as a basin where I already